Hello friends, my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics Support Media. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in today's video we are going to learn step by step on how to delete your Instagram business account without any stress. So let's make. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you are very new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn on notification bell, so each time I post content about Instagram topic like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see step by step on how you can actually delete your Instagram account. Step by step tutorial. So welcome back, friends. So let's see how to permanently delete your Instagram account. So the very first thing you want to do is to make sure you open up your Instagram account. Having opened up your Instagram account, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on your profile right here. So on getting to your profile, next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on these three dots at the top, then click on setting and privacy, then click on account center, then click on personal details, then click on account ownership and control, then click on deletion or deactivation. Then select the Instagram account, then deleting accounts, your account is permanently deleted. So I'm going to select permanently deleted. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on continue. Then you can choose the reason why you want to delete your account. So I'm going to select, so you can choose any of the options right here why you want to close the account. So just click on something else, this personal reason, then click on continue. Then you'll be asked to log in, enter your login password. Then click on continue. Confirm permanent delete account. Click on delete account. It's as simple as that. So the account has been successfully deleted without any stress. So this is how to delete your Instagram account step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorial about Instagram topic. And lastly but not the least, if you have any question for me as far as this tutorial is concerned, kindly put your question in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.